I feel sound is one of the most transformative tools, keys, practices that we have available at our disposal in this moment. Because the sound of your own voice, for example, you travel with that everywhere you go. And it really helps you not only express yourself, but to go into an inner space of quietness.
So since then I start to sing wordless song, and that soothes me and give me a lot of peace. So from that time I use the voice to connect with myself, and also my singing became my prayers.
I was so humbled when I see the transformation that people went through on the workshop. It feels like there's so much potential, because I saw people going from point A to point B so fast.
It seems the sound give a thread they can follow to trace back to their inner self. And when they found that, they found their power, their center, their peacefulness. I think it's very important for modern people, because that we are surrounded by so many information, so many possibilities, and also we get overwhelmed by that. We don't know where to go for the future. We don't know how do we feel at this moment. We don't know how to decide for our future. But all the answer is what do you need and how do you feel from your heart. So sound offer a great tool that they can connect with themselves.
I enjoyed the workshop because it left me feeling joyful, happy. I felt like I was really accomplishing something on a soul level. Chinling and Angel are very understanding, very professional. I really appreciated their help, understanding, and most of all, I learned that I can transcend my doubts and insecurities.
Después del taller me voy súper feliz. En realidad no sabía lo que venía, pero me voy llena, me voy plena, el corazón abierto. Compartí con gente maravillosa. Y Ángel y Chinling, son realmente unas personas que nos abren el corazón y nos enseñan a contactarnos con nuestra esencia, que creo que eso es lo más importante en este momento. A mí sí me fascinó el sonido, y sobre todo que es algo que creo que rompe las barreras que nosotros mismos a través de las palabras y de la mente no podemos romper. El sonido nos lo rompe completamente y entra una parte de nosotros mucho más profunda y saca lo que ahí está guardado para sentirnos más libres y mejor y más en paz con nosotros mismos.